Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and these are my views in fewer than two. Video games. How do you get them for free? Legally. That's the key word there. Key. You know, a key that you would get, a registration key to get the game for free. Easy to do. And by the way, if you were looking for an excuse to get free video games, you can play anything you want over on live.pirillo.com. It's a 24/7 stream running on Twitch right now. Yeah, live.pirillo.com. Go there. Someone's probably playing a game. Several people right now, live. Playing a video game together. It's a live 24/7 arcade. How do you get them for free? Epic. Every week, right now, on Thursday, they have a game title in their library that they make available for free. They've been doing this for a few years now, and they're going to continue to do it. So every Thursday, like clockwork, you get at least one new free game from Epic. Then the second way is giveaways. There's tons of them. Constantly, you don't have to buy video games. You don't have to wait for them all to go on sale. You can just wait for giveaways if you want and you're frugal. And even if you're not going to play them, they're free. So you might as well add them to your library. That's the thing. And by the way, if you want to be kept up to date on when these new free titles are available, we've got a bot that we've installed on the Discord server to make sure that everyone sees when there's a new free game title available. So you don't have to worry about hunting these things down. We've done the work for you. Just join our Discord server. And the third way, become a video game reviewer. Seriously. Like just set up your own Twitch channel if you want, or YouTube, or Twitter account, or wherever you want to broadcast your gaming. And once you start getting momentum, you can request keys without paying a dime. 3 very easy ways to continue to build your library without spending anything apart from a little bit of time.